So hello, karon solve na pud ta ang problem that includes numerical methods. So muna to word problem. A company produces widgets with a production cost of 10, 10, 10, 10 pesos per unit. The revenue function for selling X unit is given by R of X equals of 50X minus 0.5X squared. Determine the production level that maximize the company's profit. So yung na determine the production level that maximize the company's profit. So atong given is closed function x is equals to 10x, revenue function r of x equals to 50x minus 0.5x squared. Profit function is equals to p of x minus r of x is equals to r of x minus c of x is equals to 50x minus 0.5x squared minus 10x which is equals to 40x minus 0.5x squared. So based sa atong given, para makuha na to ang production level that maximize the profit, una na to buhaton is ato ang p of x na to ang profit function ato siyang i-differentiate. Di ba ang atong p of x ay 40 minus x. So ato set ang 40 minus x so equals to 0. So natay na p of x is equals to 40 minus x. So ang x ato kwaon so x is equals to 40. Diba? Ang ato x may equals to 40 kay negative x ato ibali ng ang x sa pika so x is equals to 40. So karon ato na naman tay x value sa x check at sunod ato ay check ang nature of critical points. So p of double derivative of x is equals to negative 1. So calculate the profit at x is equals to 40. So karon ato i-calculate ang profit na kung ang unit na gibulig ka is 14 na so nato p of 40 is equals to 40 times 40 ato gigamit na formula is kini profit function minus 0.5 40 squared 40 squared is equals to 800. So based sa atong kuan atong na-calculate the production level that maximize the company's profit is 40 unit. Mara man ang pangutana determine the production level that maximize the company's profit. So mana siya ang iyang production level at this point. The maximum profit achieved is 800. This point, ang maximum profit na na-achieve na ang production level is 800. So that's all. Thank you.